But I enjoy working my brush out on a palette much more than working out of a little paint cup. I also like to work with my paint quite thick. And yet you learn it's a preference thing is what it is. We'll start our O at the top, coming down in a nice circular motion. Now I want to go a little lower than my line is, which I didn't do, but I'll be coming back. All right, there's a reason for this, and we'll get into that later. But I come way back up over here, coming down, making my line. All right, we'll straighten it up a little bit here. I want this O to go down a little bit further than my line, not a lot, just enough. When I finish, when I don't start at the top to finish my O, I start way down here. Coming up, that gives me the kick that it takes to come over, back down, and around, and I have made an O. We'll do it again. All right, here's what I do. I start at the top. I'm starting my circular motion. An oval is what I'm looking for. Coming down a little lower than my line, coming up with a little snap. That snap makes you feel good. I come way down here. I don't start my letter up here. I come way down here, going up, thinking with my head the whole way, making my turn, back down around, connecting it at the bottom. And then you just do, whoops, I ran off of the table there. Okay, and you just do a little cleanup if you have to. A little bit of cleanup. And there you have my rendition of an O. Take a picture of that. That's my O. Thank you very much.